Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change language in your Honor X8. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you want to change language in your Honor X8. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click this setting icon and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. You scroll all the way down and you're going to find here something say system and update. After click over system and update, you're going to see screen appear language and import. After click over language and import, you're going to see first one which is language and region. Simply click over there and then if you want to add new language, you can click here add language and you're going to see there is a bunch of languages available. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I'm going to choose this Franciso and then let me see what is going to be appear. It's going to appear, are you sure you want to change your system language to French? I'm going to click here change. Now you're going to see my completely phone has successfully changed English to French. Even myself, I don't know this English, this French language, but I made these things because maybe somehow or some cases your phone language has changed and you are looking for how to change it to English. So I'm going to share with you some trick how you can change that language to English even you don't know the current language in your phone. So first of all, you need to click this gear icon, which is a setting icon. You can easily find it gear icon in your home screen. You can easily swipe up and then you're going to find the same gear icon in your all apps section. After open the gear icon, you need to scroll all the way down and then you're going to find just something say system. This is the icon for system, so you have to find out and click this icon. After click over there, you need to go the number third 1 2 3. So you have to open this number third and then you need to again open the number 1. And then you're going to find here your English language. If it is English not available, you can go this blue color icon and then you need to find out the English or whatever preferred language you're looking for. For example, I'm going to choose here I already have English, so I don't need to re-enable or re-download English. Let me go back and choose this one and then you're going to see completely my phone language has changed this France to English, which is really quite interesting. Even I don't know the French language. So within this way, you can easily change your phone language in your Honor X8. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.